Are you ready to unlock the secrets of making big money online? Today, we'll reveal a revolutionary method that can help you earn up to $1,000 every single day. And the best part? You won't need to sell anything, have any prior experience, or even use affiliate marketing. All you have to do is copy and paste some text. Get ready to embark on an incredible journey of financial freedom. So first things first, let's head over to google.com and type Google News. Click on this first website. Now you are in main page on Google News. Now you can see bottom some categories. You can choose anything from these. For today's video, I am gonna choose sports category. Click on sports. Now you can see many sport-related latest news. You can choose any news you like. I am going with this news. Let's click on this news. Now we found the news we're gonna working on. Now give me close attention because this is the most important part of this video. Because we cannot copy and paste this article, it must be unique. Alright. Select entire article, click on write and copy the article. Now head over to Spinbot website and paste your article in this box. Spinbot is special software that takes the article you just copied and pasted and rewrites it in your own words. That's right. You'll have a completely new article with the same topic as the original one you found on Google News. But you might ask, why do we need to do this? Well, if we just copied and pasted the original article, we could run into some legal trouble because of copyright issues. By using Spinbot, we avoid all of that and end up with a brand new piece of content. So let me do that. I will paste that article into Spinbot, click Basic Spin, and wait for a couple of seconds. Alright. You can actually make some serious cash with this article. And I am going to show you how. First, you need to copy this article and save it in your computer because we are going to sell it some websites that going to pay real money for our word. This website going to pay us $2 per every word you write. Now can you imagine we can earn thousands of dollars with this method? Okay, this is the website today we're gonna talk about. This website name is aarp.org. If you want to know how to submit article to this website, come to this website and check out their submission process. And they accept wide range of articles, such as health, money, work and jobs, social security, Medicare, caregiving, games, travel and much more. You just have to do upload article under one of these category. And they accept one article per day. Now what you can do is submit your article to this website. Start now for free and get paid directly to your PayPal or bank account. There's no need to sell anything or have any affiliate marketing. Don't waste time because time is very important. Start now and make some real money. That's it for today. Thanks for watching my video. See you in next video. Goodbye.